The work we do focuses on three main areas. So musculoskeletal biomechanics, we're interested in soft tissue mechanics, and we're interested in medical image processing. Medical engineering is exciting because you have a real opportunity to change people's lives. So we work with hospitals, with doctors. We've got world-class facilities, world-class expertise, and we work with patients and researchers all around the world. It's all about bringing together that knowledge to make a real difference and change people's lives.
I'm team leader for the Life Imaging and Data Analytics laboratory, where we develop Spark, which is our software for radiomic analysis of medical images. The algorithms are used on clinical images that are collected as part of routine clinical practice. The exciting part of the work that we do is that we can develop non-invasive imaging biomarkers, which means that these analyses can replace biopsies by making this intervention less invasive for the patient with the same level of accuracy. And hopefully this will have a transformative effect in clinical practice. Our group works at the international level with several universities and NHS organizations. We are developing standards for the application of these algorithms in clinical practice. So we're very proud to be at the forefront of this work.
I'm specifically looking at the design of artificial ligament repair systems. We're looking to produce a synthetic ligament that can be used in a variety of different indications in the body. It might not necessarily be used just to repair ligaments, but most soft tissue repairs. It's a braided device that can be secured in the body to support ligaments whilst they recover, or to replace ligaments, tendons, or other soft tissues entirely. The ultimate goal of the product is to be able to help people with a range of injuries, not just in one area. And hopefully we can see that product being used to help people all around the world.
So our research uses motion capture primarily to try and track the different parts of the body. We also have a unique video X-ray system, which allows us to capture specific parts of the body, say the knee or the ankle. So this gives us very fine detail, which is very important for both our industry and clinical collaborators. I feel very privileged to have the opportunity to work on this unique piece of equipment, but also to work with NHS patients and with incredible researchers all over the world. Being able to apply our engineering techniques to help real-world problems and see direct impact from that is very rewarding. And there's no other facility like this in the UK.
The work that the Cardiff Medical Engineering Group do has had a real impact around the world. It's changed the way people work and changed the way that diseases are treated. But this is really only the beginning, and we're excited about so much more we can do in the future.